Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I had this message that said an AirTag was found moving with me. And so basically an AirTag is a small item. It's about the shape of a quarter, a little bit thicker, and so it will track anywhere you put it. So the owner of it can see your location, and if you do find it, you can disable it if you feel like it shouldn't be there. And so basically this is what it looks like, a little coin-shaped item about the size of the battery. And so what you do is you just push down and then you rotate it counterclockwise. And when you do rotate it counterclockwise, it will open up and then the battery will be inside. So you can just take the battery out. So some people will put these on items that they want to track to make sure something doesn't get stolen. And if you're going the same places, sometimes it will think that it's traveling with you. So anyway, that's what an AirTag is. And so basically for me, I had this happen when I was at Disneyland. And so you could see the hotel I was at here on the corner, and it was giving me that notification. And so as I was looking at it, and you can find this on the Find My app when you click on your phone. But as I was looking at it, because it allows you to see where it's been tracking you, you could see it was following me all along the Disneyland park. And it was going to all the rides that I was on and everything like that. And so it's hard to see with how much movement around the park if I would know. Let's see, that might be somebody else too or not. But it did follow me back to the hotel every time. And so I was thinking, well, maybe it's just somebody here at the hotel. But there is a way for you to make it beep. Okay, so you can push a button and it will send if it's within range, it will start beeping. And so I went ahead and tried that. And on this example, it's not working anymore, but basically I pressed it to play the sound, and it did connect. And so it's a very faint beeping that you hear. And in this case, again, it was not reachable, but when I did do it earlier, it was reachable. So what happened in our case is we rented a scooter because my wife has hurt her foot. And so she was riding around on the scooter the whole time, and it had the little AirTag so that that company knows where the scooter is in case something happened to it, or to make sure you're using it where you say you are. So anyway, there are instructions for you to move your phone to help locate it. But in this case, it was something completely harmless. And that's what it said in the beginning. If you are getting this message, it might be on an item that you're borrowing. And so, yeah, if you don't like it, you can open it up and take the battery out if you found it, if somebody threw one in your bag or something like that. But anyway, so that's what an AirTag is. That's why this one was following me around. And anyway, just let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and check the video description. I'll put a playlist where I have other videos that are like this. As always, thanks for watching.